Hello children, now we are moving to subtraction of fractions. Okay, so here we will discuss the subtraction of like fractions, subtraction of unlike fractions and subtraction of mixed fractions with same denominator and subtraction of mixed fraction with different denominators. Okay, so look at the first one children. Here it is subtraction of like fraction. 9 by 16 minus 4 by 16. You know how to answer? Yeah, just subtract 9 minus 4 and then write the same denominator. 9 minus 4 is 5 and then write 16. Okay, so 5 by 16 is the answer for the first one. Now, next type is 4 by 9 minus 3 by 11. Here you can see both are unlike fractions. So, subtraction of unlike fraction. That is, as of addition of unlike fraction, here also you can take the cross products. That is 4 into 11 minus 3 into 9 and whole divided by 9 into 11. Okay. So, here the sign is minus. That's why in between these we are putting minus symbol. If it is plus, then you can put plus symbol between these two terms. Okay children. So 4 into 11 minus 3 into 9. 4 into 11 is 44 minus 9 3s are 27 by 9 into 11. 9 into 11 is 99. So after subtraction 44 minus 27 is 17 by 99. Okay, this way you can do the subtraction of unlike fraction. Now next is subtraction of mixed fraction. Okay, subtraction of mixed fraction with same denominator first we will discuss. Okay, look here, 10 1 by 2 minus 5 3 by 2. Here these fractions having same denominator. Okay, so first you have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, then do the subtraction. Okay, so first whole into denominator plus numerator, that is the formula for converting the fraction. So 10 into 2 plus 1 minus 5 into 2 plus 3. Okay, so 10 into 2 plus 1 is 10 into 2 20, 20 plus 1 21 by 2 minus 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 by 2. Okay, here we converted by using the form whole into denominator plus numerator by denominator. Okay, that will be same for everywhere because in all the question the conversion of mixed fraction is the same. Okay, then you have to check what is the symbol between these two. Okay, so convert it, then do the subtraction. Okay, convert both fractions to improper, then do the subtraction or addition, what is given, whatever given, that you can do. Okay, so 21 by 2 minus 13 by 2. Now here you can see it is the subtraction of, it becomes the subtraction of like fractions, isn't it? So you can write the same denominator and then subtract the numerator. 21 minus 30. 21 minus 13 is 8. So 8 by 2 is the answer. Here you can simplify again also. 2, you will get it as 4, isn't it? 2 and 4, 8 both are coming in the 2's table. So here you can simplify this also. Okay. So anyway, 8 by 2 is the answer for this question. Clear children? Next question we are going to discuss is subtraction of mixed fraction with different denominators. Look. So here it is. First you do the conversion. Whole into denominator plus numerator, the whole divided by denominator. That is 4 into 3 plus 1 by 3. That is the first conversion. Minus, this minus symbol. Then whole into denominator plus numerator by denominator. That is 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. So that you can write here. Then 4 into 3 plus 1 is 4, 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 13 by 3 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2. Okay. Now here you can see 13 by 3 minus 5 by 2. That is subtraction of unlike fractions. So how to do children? Yeah, by using cross products. That is 13 into 2 minus 5 into 3. Okay. 13 into 2 is 26. 5 into 3 is 15. The whole divided by 3 into 2. That is 3 into 2. You can write in denominator. 3 2s are 6. So 26 minus 15 is 11 by 6. So 11 by 6 is the answer for this question. Clear, children? Okay. So this is the subtraction of mixed fractions. Children, now we are moving to the important topics, that is multiplication. Okay, multiplication of fractions. So look, children, the question is 12 by 32 into 64. 12 by 32 into 64. So, if the general rule for multiplication is numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. So, here given the number is 12 by 32 into 64. Children, if a number is given without any denominator, it means it is having the denominator 1. Okay. So, it is 12 by 32 into 64 by 1. Okay. So, if we are multiplying numerator with numerator, that will be a bigger number, isn't it? That's why we are doing the division. We are simplifying these fractions first, then we will do the multiplication. Okay. So, first I am writing 12 by 32 into 64 here. Now, I am going to do the simplification, or I am going to find out the simplest form of this fraction. Okay, so here you can see 64 and 32, and 12 by 32 also can be reduced to its lowest term, isn't it? So first I am going to reduce 12 by 32. So I am going to divide both by 2. Okay, so 12 divided by 2 is 6. Then 32 divided by 2 is 1, 2 is 2. And then 6 2s are 12. Okay, so that is 16. You can divide 32 by 2 inside. Okay, 32 by 2, that is 1, 2 is 2. 1 is balance and 12 is here. 6 2s are 12. You will get a quotient 16. That I wrote here. Okay, now which number you can use to divide 6 and 16 again? Yeah, 2 you can use. So, I am dividing it by using the number 2. So, 6 divided by 2 is, yeah, 3 2s are 6. Right? 3 2s are 6. So, you can write 3 here. Then, 16 divided by 2. You can check on the side. That is 16 divided by 2. That is 8 2s are 16. So, you can write 8 here. So, 3 by 8. We got 3 by 8. So, you write, children, now our fraction 12 by 32 become 3 by 8. So, instead of 12 by 32, you can write here 3 by 8. Because our fraction 12 by 32, we reduced it to its lowest term 3 by 8. Now, you can multiply it with 64. Okay, children? Clear? Okay. Now, here you can cancel 64 and 8 also. Isn't it? So, now let's take 64 and 8. These two also you can cancel. Okay. So, first write 64 by 8. Then divide it by using the number 2. Okay. So, 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. It becomes 32. And 4 2s are 8. Isn't it, children? So, you can write 4 here. 32 by 4. Now, next is you can divide 32 and 4. The below it is 4. So, let's check, children. Is the number 32 comes in 4's table? Yes? Yeah, 8 4s are 32, isn't it? Yeah, so you can divide both number by 4 now. Now you will get 8 4s are 32 and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we got the simplest form again, 8 by 1. Just now we took the number 64 by 8, isn't it? So 3 is there and we simplified the number 64 by 8 and we got the answer 8 by 1. Okay. So here our fraction become, our biggest fraction 12 by 32 now become 3 into 8 by 1. It's very easy for us to answer now, isn't it, children? Because 3 means 3 by 1 into 8 by 1. If no denominator, then it means the denominator is 1. Now you can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. That is 3 into 8 by 1 into 1. 8 3s are 24 and 1 into 1 1. So if the denominator is 1, then you can just simply write 24. Okay, so this is the answer. Got it, children? Yeah, it's very simple, right? Yeah. Okay, now let's discuss one more question. That is 22 by 13 into 26 by 44. Okay, so here no need to check the prime number to divide or the simplest number. You check which is the divisor you can use. That only you have to check. So 22 by 13 into 26 by 44. So let's simplify 22 by 13 into 26 by 44. Children, look here. Then in 13 into 2 is 26, isn't it? If we are dividing 13 by 30, the answer will be 1. 26 by 13, it will be, 2. Okay, because 13 into 2 is 26. Now, 22 and 44. These two numbers comes in the table of 11, isn't it? So, 11 2s are 22, 11 4s are 44. Okay, children? So, we got it as 2 and 4. Now you can divide 2 and 4 again, because this also can be divided by using the number 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Right? Then look, children, here is a 2 and here is another 2. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 1 2 is 2. So here our fraction become 1 by 1 into 1 by 1. Okay? It is 1 by 1 into 1 by 1. Now we know how to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. That is 1 by 1, which is equal to, simply we can write 1. Okay? It's simple, isn't it, children? Yeah. Let's discuss one more question. 7 by 15 into 45 by 49. So let's simplify. 7 by 15 into 45 by 49. Okay, so you look here, 7 and 49. The numbers 49 comes in the table of 7, isn't it, children? So 7 divided by 7, 1. 49 divided by 7 is 7. Now 15 and 45, these two numbers will come in the table of 5, isn't it? So 5 3s are 15 and 5 9s are 45, right? You can cancel it like this. Now 9 and 3, is these two numbers are in 3's table? Yes, that is 1 3 is 3 and 3 3s are 9, right? Yes. So now you can write the answer 1 by 1 into 3 by 7. There is no other number to simplify, so 3 by 7 that you can write. Now you can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So the answer 3 into 1 is 3 and 7 into 1 is 7. So our answer is 3 by 7. Okay, children? So this is the way to do the multiplication of fractions. Children, now the next topic is division. So before moving to division, you should know the reciprocal of a number. What is reciprocal means? That is interchanging the denominator and numerator, isn't it? Interchanging the denominator and numerator is the reciprocal of a fraction or multiplicative inverse of a fraction. So here the fraction is 6 by 10. So the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of this fraction is 10 by 6. Okay, interchange the numerator and denominator. Now the next one, 120 by 75. This is the fraction. Take the reciprocal of this fraction. Reciprocal means write the denominator in the numerator. So 75 write in numerator and write the numerator in denominator, interchanging. That is 120 in denominator. So 75 by 120 is the reciprocal of 120 by 75. Now next is reciprocal of 16 by 32? First write interchange. Yeah, 32 by 16. Now look here children, it's a whole number 6. So how to write the reciprocal of 6? We know if a number is given without any denominator, it means it is having the denominator 1, isn't it? So if you are taking the reciprocal, the 1 will go to the numerator and 6 will go to the denominator. So 1 by 6 is the reciprocal of 6. Okay, then can you say reciprocal of 100? 1 by 100. Reciprocal of 30? 1 by 30. Reciprocal of 4? 1 by 4. Got it children? Okay, so this is the reciprocal. Reciprocal means just write the reverse order or just interchange numerator and denominator. Children, now we are moving to division questions. Divide the following. Divide the following. First question is 16 divided by 1 by 4. So children, division is very simple. That is, first you write the same number 16. Okay, then multiply the reciprocal of the second number or second fraction with the first one. That is the rule. Take the reciprocal of second one. Reciprocal of second one is 1 by 4, isn't it children? So you write 16 into reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1, isn't it? Reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. So how you can do this multiplication? Look children, down here no other number to cancel or divide or simplifying the fraction. For simplifying the fraction, here the you can apply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. You can understand here in here to 16 it is nothing is given, so you can assume it as 1. It is understood that it is 1. So numerator into numerator means 16 into 4 by 1 into 1. Okay children, now you can multiply 16 with 4. Okay, so when we will multiply 16 with 4, you will get answer 64, and by 1 you can simply write it as 64. So this is the answer for this division question. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Look children, 1 by 42 divided by 3. Always remember the first fraction or first number you write as it is. Okay, don't change it. First one you write as it is, and then according to the division of fraction rule, you multiply with the reciprocal of the second one. So here reciprocal of the second one is 3, isn't it? Reciprocal of 3. And then you can write 1 by 42 into reciprocal of 3. Children, just now we learned reciprocal of 6 means 1 by 6. Reciprocal of 50 means 1 by 50. So what will be the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. Correct answer. Okay. Now here you can see we can't cancel these numbers. If any number on numerator, then only we can cancel. Okay. We can cancel the numerator and denominator together, not with numerator and numerator. Okay. So here we don't have any number to cancel. So multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay children, 1 into 1, 1. Then 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. So 101 by 126 is the answer. 42 into 3 is 126. So 1 by 126 is the answer. Okay children, let's discuss one more question. Here you can see it is the division of two fractions. Okay. First, according to the rule, write the first fraction as it is and multiply the with the reciprocal of the second fraction. So reciprocal of 1 by 49. Children, what is reciprocal? Yeah, interchanging the numerator and denominator. That is 1 by 7 into interchange the numerator and denominator. How we can write? 49 by 1. Okay, now look here, it is on numerator and denominator. So here you can cancel. So 7 and 49 are there in the table of 7, isn't it, children? So cancel it. 1 7 is 7 and 7 sevens are 49. Okay, and now nothing is here. So our first fraction become 1 by 1 into, here it becomes 7 by 1. Okay, now multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So the answer is 1 into 7 is 7 by 1 into 1 is 1. Simply we can write, because the denominator is 1, that's why we can simply write it as 7. Okay, so 7 is the answer for this division question. Clear, children? Okay, so everyone go through these all topics very well and study it all well. Okay, so that's all about fractions. Thank you.